enjoy munching on stuff? Well, that's not really important right now because we're about to dive into the world of a super cute kitty that's all about crunching. Cat crunching food is a major trend on TikTok at the moment. More specifically, it's the meme template featuring this cat that's gone viral. The original video first hit the scene back in 2022, and the star of the show is none other than Luna, the feline sensation from the TikTok account Crunchy Cat Luna. As of now, that dedicated account for Luna boasts over 4 million followers. Even though the video was originally shared in 2022, it didn't catch meme status until September 2023. Once that template was out there, folks on TikTok began putting the crunchy cat into all sorts of scenarios, coming up with creative reasons why the kitty was crunching away. These videos were primarily hilarious in nature. Once the meme gained steam on TikTok, it quickly spread to other social media platforms. Let's check out some of the meme variations crafted by TikTok users that racked up hundreds of thousands, and in some cases, even millions of views. Hi, it's Meme Culture.